Okay, hello everyone. Today I'll revise the muscles and attachments of mandible and some portion of skull if possible because I don't have much time today. And of mandible. Okay, so let's say this is the mandible, this is the occlusal surface, and this is the mandibular foramen. This is the lingula. This is the occlusal surface. This is the coronal process, condylar process. This is the mesial mesial side of right side of the mandible. Now the head head of the condylar process is covered with fibrocartilage. This thing is covered with head is covered with fibrocartilage for smooth articulation with the skull. This is joint. So okay, now we already know myelo means molar, hide means bone. So this is the myelohide groove, and this thing is myelohide line. Okay, now the first attachment is here, anterior and superior of coronal process, anterior and superior part of coronoid process gives attachment to the temporalis muscle. You can feel this muscle when you move your jaw and you put your finger on the temple. So this attaches from the temple and the other end attaches in the coronoid process. Okay, this is one. Now next, the inner portion of the angle of mandible. This is the angle of mandible. This has rough grooves. Inner groove, rough portion of angle, and inner or medial gives attachment to the medial pterygoid muscle. Medial pterygoid muscle. Now, three. The this thing small. This is a small depression on the neck of mandible. Small depression on neck of mandible called pterygoid fovea gives attachment to the lateral pterygoid muscle. Okay, so temporalis muscle, medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid. On anterior portion, anterior neck of condylar process. Okay. Now fourth, is it visible? Yes. Okay. Fourth is, so this is a mandible on the medial side, but if we draw it on the outer side, no, this is the outer part, the coronal process, condylar process. This is the oblique line. So here, this four on the distal, medial distal side or lateral side, medial lateral. Okay. So lateral surface of ramus of mandible gives attachment to the masseter muscle useful for mastication, means majorly used for mastication. You can also feel this muscle when you touch your mandible, means from the outside, and you try to bite something hard. Now the last one is lingula. Lingula gives attachment to a ligament known as sphenomandibular ligament. Means this attaches the mandible to the sphenoid bone. Okay, so what else is left? Yes, some the mylohyoid nerves and vessels enter the mandibular foramen and some branches exit the body U-shaped of mandible through the mental foramen. The these nerves and vessels pass through the is it the mandibular canal or myloid canal? Mandibular canal. I might be wrong with this. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next one.